Hello viewers, so welcome to our today's maths lesson. So we want to solve this problem, 4 to the power of x equals to 32. So be with us until the end of this video. So let's begin with the solution. So on our solution, so we shall have what we want to solve. So 4 to the power of x is equals to 32. So if you know how to solve this maths problem, you can share with us your answers that you've got at the end of this lesson. So let's begin. So how do we solve 4 to the power of x equals to 32? Now, so we have two formulas that you can use to solve this maths problem. So the first one, we can use the logarithm formula or the log. So how do you use the log? So we can introduce the log and say now we shall have the log of 4 to the power of x is equals to the log of 32. So log 4 to the power of x can also be written as, so we all know that the log of a to the power of b can also be written as the b log a. So meaning that in this maths problem now we are going to have x log 4 is equals to the log of 32. Okay, so after having this now, this one is what now we are going to have. The log of 4x equals to the log of 32. We can also now change the log of 32 and you say that x log 4 is equals to the log of 32 can also be written as the log of 16 multiplied by the log of 2. So in this case now we want to do away with the log 4. So meaning that now we shall divide both sides by the log of 4. So this side now we shall also divide by the log of 4. So that the log of 4 and log of 4 shall cancel. Now from there now we shall have x is equals to the log of 16 multiplied by 2 all over the log of 4. So now what are we supposed now to do the next? So the next thing that we are going to do, we can decide to express 16 to the power and say now that x is equals to the log of 4 to the power of 2 multiplied by the log 2. So all over the log of 4. So the log of 4 to the power of 2 can also be written as, so x is equals to 2 log 4 then multiply by the log of 2 all over the log of 4. So in this case now we can split them simply because now we have the addition sign. We can now change it to, so we have the multiplication sign, we can also change it to addition sign. So how will it be? So this one shall be so this one x is equals to the 2 log 4 then add to the log of 2. So all of them we shall divide by the log of 4. This side shall also be divided by the log of 4. So now the log of 4 and the log of 4 shall cancel each other. So now here now we shall have, so this one is goes to the 2 plus the log of 2 all over the log of 4. So from there now we shall work out. So let us check it's the denominator. So here now we shall say 2 plus the log of 2. So let's express this log 4 into power. So you can say that we shall have the log of 2 to the power of 2. So now x is equals to, so we shall have 2 plus, so the log of 2 all over, so in this case now we shall have, to the denominator shall have 2 log 2. So now we shall divide the log 2, will cancel each other. So now we say now we shall have x is equals to 2 plus, so this one is 1 over all over 2. So because 2 has nothing, so we shall also put it over 1. So now we can work out this fraction and now we shall find the LCM, and the LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. So 2 goes into 1 twice and 2 times 2. We shall have 4 plus 2 into 2, 1 and 1 times 1 is 1. So when you work out this one, 4 plus 1 is 5 over 2. So meaning that our x here is equals to 5 over 2. So that one now makes it the correct answer. So now let's move to the second method. So method 2. So the method 2, we were having this problem. We were having 4. Okay, so 4 to the power of x is equals to 32. So we can express all of these ones as powers. So 4, we can say 2 to the power of 2 into bracket x. Then you close the bracket is equals to, this one we shall have 2 to the power of 5. Simply because when we have 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, the result shall be 32. So that's why we have picked 2 to the power of 5. When you have 2 to the power of 2, gives us 2 times 2, which is the result is 4. So let's proceed from this section now. So let's now pick up the index numbers. So now we shall have 2 multiplied by x, we shall have 2x is equals to 5 here. So how do we find the value of x? So now we shall be forced to divide both sides by 2, this side also by 2. So this shall cancel each other. So now our x will be, so x is equals to 5 over 2. So you can choose any of the method in which you can use to work them out. So if you happen to get 5 over 2, then you worked it out correctly. So let's stop there. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.